CryptoHopper is one of the most popular automated trading bots in the cryptocurrency space. In this review, I'm going to dive deep into its features, how it works, and whether it's actually worth using. If you've been searching for a way to automate your trading strategy, this might be an option for you. The first thing you'll notice when visiting the CryptoHopper website is the clean and professional interface. Right from the homepage, you're introduced to its key features, including automated trading, AI-driven strategies, and marketplace signals. Signing up is straightforward. You just need an email and a password, and once you verify your account, you're ready to start exploring the platform. Inside the dashboard, you'll find a well-organized control panel with different sections for configuring your trading bot, managing exchanges, and tracking performance. CryptoHopper supports integration with major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, and Kraken, making it accessible for most crypto traders. One of the standout features here is the Strategy Designer, where you can create custom trading algorithms using technical indicators and trading signals. If you're not comfortable creating your own strategy, there's also a marketplace where you can buy or subscribe to pre-made strategies from experienced traders. This is especially useful for beginners who want to take advantage of proven trading methods without having to develop their own from scratch. Additionally, CryptoHopper provides backtesting tools, allowing you to test your strategy against historical market data before running it live. The platform offers several subscription tiers, with the free plan giving you limited access to basic features. Paid plans unlock more advanced automation tools, higher trading limits, and additional AI-driven options. Pricing is competitive compared to other trading bots, but it's important to evaluate whether the features included in each plan justify the cost based on your trading goals. Security is a major concern when using any crypto-related tool, and CryptoHopper takes multiple steps to protect user funds. Since the platform does not have direct access to your funds and only executes trades through API keys, your assets remain on your exchange. You could also enable two-factor authentication (2FA) for an extra layer of protection. In terms of user experience, the interface is intuitive, and even if you're new to automated trading, the setup process is well-guided. The documentation and knowledge base are extensive, covering everything from bot configuration to trading strategies. There's also a community forum and active customer support for troubleshooting any issues. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. Performance-wise, CryptoHopper's effectiveness depends on the strategy you choose and the market conditions. While automation can remove emotions from trading, it's important to regularly monitor and adjust settings to optimize performance. AI and machine learning elements help refine strategies, but there's no guarantee of profits, as the crypto market remains highly volatile. Compared to other crypto trading bots, CryptoHopper stands out with its user-friendly interface, flexibility, and marketplace for trading signals. However, it's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. You still need to understand trading concepts to make the most out of it. Overall, CryptoHopper is a solid option for traders looking to automate their strategies, especially those who want access to AI-powered tools and customizable trading bots. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, it provides a comprehensive set of features to help you optimize your trading activities. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and crypto trading insights.